Capsaicin molecules, found in chili peppers, initiate the sensation of heat on the tongue. These molecules interact with specific receptors on the tongue's surface known as TRPV1 receptors. TRPV1 receptors are typically activated by temperatures exceeding 43 degrees Celsius, 109 degrees Fahrenheit. Capsaicin binds to these TRPV1 receptors, mimicking the effect of high temperature. This binding triggers a neural signal that the brain interprets as a burning sensation. The activation of TRPV1 receptors by capsaicin is the primary mechanism behind the perceived heat. Capsaicin, the active component in chili peppers, initiates a sensory response by interacting with specific receptors. This interaction occurs when capsaicin molecules bind to TRPV1 receptors located on nerve cells. The binding of capsaicin to TRPV1 receptors triggers the generation of a nerve signal. This nerve signal then travels from the nerve cells to the brain for processing. The brain interprets this signal as a sensation of burning heat. This interpretation is a form of sensory misdirection, as no actual heat is present, creating the experience of spiciness. The body initiates cooling mechanisms in response to perceived heat. These mechanisms include sweating to dissipate heat through evaporation. Flushing occurs due to the dilation of blood vessels near the skin's surface. Blood vessel dilation allows more heat to be released from the blood into the environment. Hiccups can sometimes occur as part of the body's response. These responses aim to lower the body's temperature even without actual tissue damage. The Scoville scale measures the pungency, spiciness, or heat of chili peppers. The scale quantifies capsaicin concentration, the chemical compound responsible for the sensation of heat. Different peppers have varying Scoville heat units, CU, reflecting their capsaicin levels. Repeated exposure to capsaicin can desensitize TRPV1 receptors, reducing perceived spiciness over time.